Okay, welcome to Purple Professionals Limited. Today, we just commissioned this system, 200 kilowatts of power inverter and 236 kilowatts of PV. 236 kilowatt peak of PV. Come with me. Look at our batteries, 143 kilowatt by 4 numbers for the high voltage hybrid inverters. Come on, let's go. We are so excited because our Purple Professionals, we use innovation and technology to meet your energy needs. You can look at our cable management. Okay, you have the slave inverter, and then you have the master inverter right here. Okay, it has been a whole lot of work for myself and the team. You know, we have to wait for the batteries to arrive and all of that, but we are here. So you can reach out to us and have a similar experience for your building, for your commercial building, for your industrial building. Don't forget, at Purple Professionals, we use innovation and technology to meet your energy needs. And what do you have to say? Reach out to us.
Reach out to us now.